Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So we're gonna go ahead and do the next page of the June 2019 multiple choice. So here we go. This is how I would do number 6. It says, which expression defines f of x? Literally, we're just gonna plug in. I'm not gonna teach you how to create this equation. Well here, look, it's exponential. You can see that. So because it's exponential, you can cross off number 1 because it's linear, or you can do guess and check. So this is what I mean. When x is 2, our answer should be 10. So in our calculator, we're going to replace x with 2. So 2 times 2, we should get 10. Wrong, we get 4. Do it again. Replace x with 2. 5 parentheses 2 to the squared. We're replacing x with 2, we get 20. Wrong, I'm trying to get 10, guys. Come over here. 5 parentheses 2 raised to the 2 divided by 2. Oops. You get 10. Try the next one. You always want to try more than one to be safe. 5 parentheses 2 raised to the 4 divided by 2, and I should get 20. I do. Okay? That's the quickest way. All right, number 7. There's a few of these on the regents. Given that you have this polynomial, which statement is true? Okay, so look at all these answer choices. See how it's x minus 1, x plus 1, blah, blah, blah. So if something is a factor, the remainder is going to be 0. So look at this one right here. I'm going to try these two first. So if x minus 1 is a factor, that means when I plug in x equals 1 into this box right here, if it is a factor, then we're going to get 0 for my answer. So watch, I'm going to replace x with 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared. And we're going to use our calculator and see if we do in fact get 0, because we are not doing anything in our head. So check this out. Oh, we get 0. That means it is a factor. All right, this one's important. I want you guys to underline the word false, underline the word not, blah, blah, blah. You have to understand how exponents work. So watch how I teach this, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is when you have, look at this, power to a power. Do you see that right there? When you have a power to a power, you're going to multiply them. So if you did 3/2 times 2, that's just going to become 3. So that's going to become x cubed. Now, when you have a root, the root is your denominator. So this is going to be x, 4 is my denominator, 3 is on top. X cubed is not the same as x to the 3/4. Number 1 is false. But I do want to go through and show you why the rest of these are true, okay? So do you see this one here? Power to a power, multiply them. So that's going to become x to the 3/4. So check this out. When you have a fraction, the denominator is the root, so the 4th root, and then the numerator becomes the power of x. So that one's true. Look at this, multiply them first. 3/2 times 1/2 is gonna be 3/4. If you turn into a root, remember, the denominator is the root, the numerator goes with the x, so that one's true. Same thing, power to a power, multiply them, that's 4/3. And when you turn that in, it's gonna be into a root, the denominator is the root, so the rest of them are true.